Hi friends, Sparklet here. We continue our journey through Norway. This is my second film of our 2-day trip to Norway. In the first film, I talked about Norway as the number one country in the world for electric vehicles. In this film, I will tell you why Norway is one of the 10 richest countries in the world. And at the same time, I will show you what you can see on the way from Sandfjord Airport to Bergen. Watch and enjoy the ride. Or maybe you yourself decide to spend the weekend in Norway too. Then this movie will help you to see what you can find there. About 30% of Norway's gross domestic product comes from the oil and gas industry. Norway exports iron, magnesium, titanium and aluminium. The country has a developed fishing and woodworking industry. Norway is the world leader in terms of living standards. In 2021, Norway was included in the top 10 richest countries in the world, according to the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank. Norway, with a gross domestic product of 69,170 per capita, is in 7th place after Luxembourg, Ireland, Singapore, Qatar, Switzerland and the United Arab Emirates. The United States of America is in 8th place, just behind Norway.
We are having a stop near the beautiful river. Look at that. Wow, my gosh. Look here. So we are like, I think it's maybe around 2 hours we are driving, something like that, because we had a couple
2
of
hours?
stops direction of Bergen. It's not sunny, not a sunny day today, but it's very pleasant to drive. A little chilly outside. You like to really to sit in the car, and I like to be in.
All right.
On the way we decided to stop by a gas station for a cup of coffee, and at the same time we asked the shop assistant about his standard of living.
Economic question. Like, you're working at this store. Do you make enough money to at least survive?
I have 63,000 a month.
It's $6,200 a month.
Is that
It's almost 800,000 a year. So
$80,000 a
all
year.
right? Excellent. Well,
But
see,
it's not quite normal
right. Okay.
to have that. But I think more like 200 kroner an hour is normal.
All right. All right. Very good.
So do you have a house somewhere here?
I have a house here and I have a house inside. I have 2 houses.
Okay,
You have
good.
you like your country house and your house here.
I bought a new house another place because I'm going to move.
Okay.
Yeah, so therefore my family have already moved. Live another place.
All right. Very good. All right. Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much for sharing. Have a good day.
the Norwegian way of life is all about work-life balance. For Norwegians, this is very important. The difference between who you are at work and in your free time is not that big for them. In Norway, it's customary to be personal at work. In return, it's also expected that work can be taken home and work from a home office. Norwegians study hard and work hard throughout the week and year, but they also know how to relax and unwind. The average working week consists of 5 7-hour working days. The average Norwegian takes a break every weekend and gets 5 weeks of paid vacation a year. Good health and an active lifestyle are also important to Norwegians. Evenings and weekends are often filled with activities ranging from the theatrical performances, concerts, to outdoor activities and sports. Norwegians have also become adventurous people who love to travel. Norway is one of the countries with the highest life expectancy, almost 81 years for men and 84 years for women. Norway has 5.5 million inhabitants. Every year the number of residents increases due to birth rate and immigrants.
This is one of the forest stops we did.
The Charlie Brown Christmas tree.
Pine tree, I think it's a pine tree. It's the same like in Latvia, and birch tree. This is kind of a pipe. I don't know what the pipe is. This the big metal pipe. And look those mushrooms. I don't know. I think those are edible.
Yeah, they look like it. They look like bolettes.
Like the white mushroom. I'm sorry, I cannot take it. Just put it back.
All right.
In my next film, we will continue our trip toward Bergen through the mountains. Like and subscribe to my channel, follow me and enjoy your life. Your Sparklet.